What is a loan? A sum of money that one or more individuals or companies borrow from banks or other financial institutions so as to financially manage planned or unplanned events is called a loan.
Advantages of a loan. The loan is getting us at a time and at a proper place. That is the biggest advantages of a loan. Disadvantages of a loan. The disadvantages of a loan is they are taking interest. Examples, when we are taking 50,000, they are taking 6% interest. That is the biggest disadvantages of a loan. Benefits of a loan. The benefits of a loan is they are giving us permission to use the money anywhere and any place. Uses of a loan. Uh, when we don't have money, we are taking loan. Examples: if your child is in hospital and bill has been come 1 lakh and you have only 50,000, you can take loan help for your 50,000 and your purpose. Thank you.
And that is